Hey guys, it's me Rohan and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of this. Just kidding guys. This is the second part you have been waiting for. So if you saw the last video, you must have known what this is and exactly how it works. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I tried it with the band, and I'll also show you the app. Come on guys, let's see. Guys, so now let's do the ASMR opening. As you can see, the force pan and the USB. We just lay it down and the magnet will come up exactly like this. So today we are going to control it with a force pan. Right now here's the force pan. Now let me show you the features of the force pan. You just have to hold like that for 3 seconds.
Choose your activity. Control your droid. Hold your force band near your droid to connect. Connecting. Your droid is connected. With your arm level to the ground, rotate your wrist until the blue line points towards you.
So I'm going to wear the watch right now. So guys, actually, to use this thing with the force band, you have to master it a little bit. Like I learned it from YouTube, little bit how to control it. Now the easiest one is the force push. Just like, and you do this to stop it. Okay, now it stopped right there. Let's get it back. Look at me guys. Keep your hands like this, and use this for stopping. And when you force push this little fellow, to control where it goes, you just have to move your arm like this. So when you do like this, it will go towards the right, and when you do like this, it goes towards the left. Let me show it to you. So now it's stopped. Let's get it back. This little fellow is so hard to control. Okay, stop now. There's actually an app for it. Just search BB-8 by Spiro in Play Store or App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Yeah, little fellow, please be quiet. So we can control it with this. We can drive it, we can send it for a patrol, it could show holographic images, not in real life, but we can record, or we have pre-recorded videos. In that, in the phone we can see that it's showing the holographic messages. We can draw and make it drive in that area. It's so easy, it's simple, it's fun. I'll show you guys. So this is the BB-8 app. You should just search Spiro BB-8 app in Play Store or App Store. You'll find it. So it's connecting. alive. Now over here, as you can see, there are many options. One of them is drive. One of them is like a holographic message that we can do. One of it then is a patrol in which we can just leave BB-8 and he'll roam on his own. And over here we can draw something and he'll drive like that. This is for watching Star Wars movie with BB-8, and this is about the Force band. These are the normal settings. I hope you liked this BB-8 droid, guys. It's actually available on Amazon. And as you know, my father got it for me from US because I liked it very much. It's still my favorite toy. I'll keep it away from my brother. I just want to keep this lifelong with me. So, say bye. Hey, say bye. It's saying bye. Okay, now let's ask them. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share to splendid activities. Bye guys, see you in the next video.